right up on the lake. So our campsite is right up over here. Got a little wall. It's super windy. Have to be pouring showing up. And the weather's coming through the mountains. Super beautiful. I think the weather's coming through right there. Maybe we could fish for a little bit before it comes through. It's super windy, about 50 degrees. But what a view, man. Right in front of our campsite. Beautiful view, just super windy. Molly already had a fish on. Ooh, got one here right at the end. What do we got? Little rainbow.
Oh, there he is.
That's a good one. That's a good size one too.
He is.
Beautiful little, it's about 12-inch one, right?
Yeah, he's gorgeous.
Come on. It's a view from the campground. The storm's gone by. Super nice. There's Molly. You can kind of see the sunset's beautiful. Get some steaks. Looks like we didn't need to bring any firewood. Not the moon. Some planet or star. Can kind of still see the lake. Car coming in late.